Every empire has its rivals. Every king faces a challenge. NVIDIA currently rules the compute world with an iron fist, but the fortress is being attacked from within. While Jensen Huang redefines sovereign AI, the giants of Silicon Valley are building their own secret weapons. Google's TPU Vi 5, Amazon's Trainium, and Microsoft's Maya are no longer just experiments. These tech titans are tired of paying the NVIDIA tax. They are shifting from being loyal customers to becoming dangerous competitors. It's not just the big tech. The traditional rivals are waking up. AMD's MI300X is claiming to offer more memory and faster performance in specific AI workloads. Intel is fighting for its life with the Gaudi series. But can they actually win? NVIDIA's real power isn't just the hardware, it's CUDA, the software ecosystem that millions of developers use daily. Switching away from NVIDIA isn't just buying a new chip, it's rewriting a decade of code. That is the ultimate moat. However, the greatest threat to the $4.3 trillion dream isn't a competitor, it's geography. 90% of the world's most advanced semiconductors are manufactured by TSMC on one small island, Taiwan. If a conflict or a natural disaster hits that island, the global AI revolution doesn't just slow down, it stops. Every sovereign AI project, every autonomous car, every large language model is currently a geopolitical hostage. As an investor or a leader, you must ask, is the world too dependent on a single company and a single island? The race for compute is also a race for security. In the next episode, we look at the energy crisis, the hidden cost of powering this revolution. This is the EcoVantage Report. Stay informed, stay ahead. See you in the next one.